this week's Odd Bunch. I got the small organic produce mixed vegetable and fruit. I have to figure out how to change the individual items. I haven't figured out how to do that, and I never remember with enough time to call their customer care. But anyway, so I have another iceberg lettuce, which I don't like. The other one, we still didn't even finish the previous iceberg lettuce. Ooh. 3 big bananas. Potatoes, and I dropped it. Three Ambrosia apples. Cauliflower. I haven't had cauliflower for a while, so this will be nice. I didn't expect that. I didn't see that. A little baby eggplant. It's little, but I love eggplant, so yum. A bunch of collard greens. And a bunch of kale. So yeah, good box this week. It's Thursday, and I will be doing some cooking. So kale, collards, potato, eggplant, apple, cauliflower, banana, and lettuce. So that was with delivery fee of $5 and the $32, so $37. So let me go back. So 32. Ooh, almost lost my thing. $32, $5 delivery fee, $37 Canadian for this amount of food. So thank you, Odd Bunch. Thank you. And I will see you not this week, but then following week after. Because I'm just sticking with every other week. So I'm currently soaking. I stripped and soaking the collards and the kale. And then I took about half of or a little less than half of the, cauliflower, and just some all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of oil, and I'm just tossing it and roasting it in the oven. So that's the first things that I'm doing with that. And I'm probably going to eat half of this tonight and put half of this with some rice and whatever else I can throw together for my lunch for tomorrow.